Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Many people ask, why does money come and then disappear? Why does income increase, but peace decreases? The answer is simple: fire misalignment. Today I introduce a brand new framework, the Wealth Alignment Code. This explains why wealth stays only where life, identity, and money are aligned. Medium white star section 1. What is wealth alignment? Wealth alignment means your income matches your lifestyle, your spending matches your values, your goals match your identity, your systems match your capacity. Money resists misalignment. Medium white star section 2. WHY misalignment destroys wealth. Most people suffer from crossmark income, lifestyle conflict, crossmark goals copied from others, crossmark habits that contradict ambition, crossmark spending without purpose, crossmark identity confusion. Misalignment creates leakage. Medium white star section 3. The Wealth Alignment Code explained. Fire. The Wealth Alignment Code has 4 alignment keys. Key 1. Identity alignment. Who you are becoming, how a wealthy version of you behaves, habits that support wealth. Money stays where identity is stable. Key 2. Lifestyle alignment. Expenses that match income, controlled upgrades, intentional comfort. Lifestyle inflation breaks alignment. Key 3. Goal alignment. Clear long-term targets, short-term discipline, patience with process. Unclear goals confuse money. Key 4. System alignment. Saving systems, investing systems, tracking systems. Systems protect alignment. Medium white star section 4. How to activate the Wealth Alignment Code. Keycap 1. Define your future financial identity. Keycap 2. Audit lifestyle versus income. Keycap 3. Align spending with purpose. Keycap 4. Automate supportive systems. Keycap 5. Review alignment monthly. Aligned money stays longer. Medium white star section 5. Signs alignment is active. White have a checkmark. Stable finances. White have a checkmark. Predictable growth. White have a checkmark. Reduce stress. White have a checkmark. Confident decisions. White have a checkmark. Peaceful wealth building. Bullseye conclusion. Strong close. Money does not chase hustle. Fire. It stays where alignment exists. Activate the Wealth Alignment Code and money will finally feel at home.